Ideally, you'd file your taxes using a W-2. But if you're watching this, chances are your employer didn't provide a W-2 form or you lost your old document. No worries, you can still file your taxes in a few quick steps. Keep watching to learn how you can file taxes using your last pay stub instead of a W-2. Filing online. For those wondering, can you file taxes with your last pay stub? The answer is yes, but the best way to do so is online. It is possible to use a pay stub to file taxes in the traditional way, but you'll need to notify the IRS that you're doing so and fill out a 4852 form. You should note that there are some exceptions though, so filing online may not be your best bet. According to the IRS, the maximum gross income threshold for those wishing to e-file for free with the IRS Free File service is currently $57,000. Similar restrictions apply for those under the age of 16, as well as residents in Guam, the U.S. Virgin Islands, the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands, or American Samoa. You can still prepare your return online, but you will have to print and mail it if any of the above applies to you. How to file. Essentially, a pay stub will be able to provide most, if not all, of the information you need to file your taxes that you would normally get from a W-2. Your pay stub will, of course, have your monthly or biweekly income on it, which is the most important piece of information the IRS needs. It will also list any tax deductions that come out of your paycheck, which is especially important for when you're doing a tax refund calculator using a pay stub. To find your deductions, look for Fed, SIT, and MEDI on your stub. These note the specific amounts subtracted for federal, state, and Medicare respectively. Other important info. Filing your taxes and filing them accurately isn't always the same thing. To make sure you have calculated the right amount and that you aren't paying too much or too little, you'll need a tax calculator, which you can find online. Add in your year-to-date taxable income alongside any leftover taxable income that is not in the pay stub you're using to file your taxes. You'll also want to include any relevant expenses, like dependents. It's a good idea to run this info through the calculator several times to make sure you're getting an accurate result. Filing taxes without a W-2 isn't as hard as most people think. Now that you know how to file using only a pay stub, it's time to get your refund. For more help or to create your own tax forms, be sure to check out our website. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.